Hi, here's the Wonder Woman 1984 4K Steelbook. It has Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision and HDR10. Runtime is 3 hours 32 minutes. We'll take off the wrap. The card. That is beautiful steelbook. Spine. That way. Take a look inside. There's no code. There's the Blu-ray and the 4K disc. So, that is Wonder Woman 1984 4K Steelbook. Please comment, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.